Hello everyone. In this video and the next coming videos, we'll talk about underground transmission lines, specifically high voltage AC cables. Before talking on the transmission lines, we will have an overall system introduction to explain the electrical network. As you see that the electrical network has many equipments, and these equipments are divided into three main parts. The first part is the generation, where the electricity is being generated at a certain voltage level, then stepped up to higher voltages to transmit that generated energy. The second part is where the produced energy is transmitted through the networks, also to provide like an interconnection between grids, and it has some substations that will step down the voltage to lower levels. The third part, which is the distribution part, where the voltage is further stepped down to the distribution level, which provide also the supply to residential commercial loads. It's good to mention that some of the industrial load might be fed from the distribution network, and some of them they are maybe fed from the transmission system. So to summarize, that the electrical energy will be generated, then transmitted, and then it will be distributed. As you see that there are many equipments in the electrical network, like the towers, cables, substations. So to understand, for the transmission lines, we have two types. The first one is overhead lines, and the second one is the underground cables. For overhead lines, it has like three main parts: the tower body, the insulators, and conductors. For underground cables, we'll not talk about them because we have a lot of videos. We'll explain in detail these systems, so we'll just keep silent in this video for the underground cable. For substation equipment, we have like the power transformer, auxiliary transformer. It has also the switchgear, which contains the busbar, breaker, isolator, and earth switches. It has the measuring instruments, CT, VT, and measuring devices. Also the substation yard, it has the grounding and lightning or shielding protections, and there are more other equipment that performs many functions like the capacitor bank, batteries, AC/DC panels, air conditioning, protection and control panels. That's all what we have in this part. Keep following. We'll have a lot of things to present to you.